Hello people teacher, today we are going to make a lesson plan on the topic force. First write date, class, subject, topic, duration and period. After that you have to write the general objective. These are the 5 points you have to write it in the general objective. Basically you have to cover in a logical reasoning, analytical thinking and skills, activities, observation skills of students. Then you have to write specific objects having 6 level. First is knowledge level with its two objectives, then second understanding level, third application level, fourth is synthesis level, fifth is analysis level and sixth is evaluation level. Each one of them is having two objectives. Then you have to write material 8, what are the required, that is chart paper, chalk, duster, roller, board, blackboard, model and pointer. Then you have to write previous knowledge, that is students have basic knowledge about the topic. After that you have to ask introductory question. That is first, have you all seen the door? Student response, yes ma'am, we have all seen a door. Second question, how do you open a door? We open a door by pulling. Third question, how do you close a door? We close a door by pushing. Fourth question, how do you push or pull a door? We push or pull the door by force. Fifth question, what is this force called? No response. Then you will introduce the topic. That student, today we will discuss about force. So this is a presentation page. This is the left side of the presentation and this is the right side of the presentation. So we are going to cover 5 teaching points. The first teaching point is force. Ask developmentary question, that what do you apply to kick a football? We apply force to kick a football. Second question, what do you understand by force? No response. Then you will write the teaching method uses question answer method. After that you will explain them the topic about what is force and give them examples. At that time students will listen. And this is the material aid, you have to use it. And this is the blackboard work. The second topic is type of the force. As developmental question, that is, can you lift the book without touching it? No, we can't lift book without touching it. Which type of force is required to hold the book? No response. And this is the question answer method, and then you have to explain then what is the types of force, that is contact force, muscular force, frictional force. Then this is the demonstration method, and this is the material aid and the blackboard work. And the third teaching point is frictional force. Right, ask developmental question, that is, can you push or lift a book lying on the table without touching it? Due to muscular force. A car or scooter comes to rest once its engine is stopped. No response. Question answer method is used in the developmental question. Then explain the topic. Students will listen. And this is the material aid and this is the blackboard work. Now the fourth teaching point is electrostatic force. Ask developmental question, that what have you seen in lightning? We have seen a flash of light in the sky. Second question is, how lightning is caused? And clear response. The teaching method uses question answer method. Then you have to explain about electrostatic force. And this is the material aid, and the last one is blackboard work. And the last teaching point is gravitational force. First question about developmental question is, why does apple from tree falls on ground, not goes up? It is because of gravity. And the second question, what is gravitational force? Then the teaching method uses question answer method. And then you have to explain about gravitational force, the material aid and the blackboard work. After the presentation is over, you have to write comprehensive question asked from the students. These 5 questions. This is the blackboard work. There are 2 types of forces. The forces which act without connecting other bodies called non-contact force. The third is non-contact force, and the fourth answer is frictional force. The fifth answer is the force which is exerted by muscles of the body. That is example walking, running, etc. Then you have to give instruction, that is pupil teacher will instruct the student to copy down the blackboard work on notebook and will supervise the class. After that you have to write the recapitulatory question. This I have used true and false. You can also use fill in the blanks, and at the last you have to give homework.